In this short tutorial, I will show you how to remove watermark easily from any video in just one click. This is the video that has a watermark which I want to remove. To remove the watermark, first I will close the video. Then open Google Chrome, and then go to google.com. In the Google search, type CleanFrame. Now, click the first link for cleanframe.site. Now, using this CleanFrame website, we will remove the watermark from the video. You can remove watermarks unlimited times using this website. No subscription is required, it's completely free to use, and it runs locally on your computer. Now, come down and select the video that has the watermark which you want to remove. Now, come down and choose Selected Area and avoid Whole Frame Cleanup, as I want to remove just this text watermark from the video. After selecting Selected Area, I will select the area containing the text watermark. After selecting the text area, come down and click Remove Watermark. And now the video processing has started, and it may take some time to remove the watermark from the video. But before the processing gets completed, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And now you can see that the processing has been completed. Let's check the video and see if the watermark has been removed or not. And yes, you can see that the video watermark has been removed successfully. To download the video, just click Download. This will download the watermark-free video to your computer. So, if you like this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.